Welcome to the production facility of VOSEN Industrial RO Membranes. VOSEN specializes in the development and manufacturing of industrial RO membranes, adhering to standardized processes and stringent quality controls. All raw materials must pass rigorous inspections before being approved for use in subsequent production stages. You are now in the Flow Guide close cutting and welding workshop. Our automated equipment here integrates cutting and welding into a seamless process, operating without the need for manual supervision. Compared with traditional adhesive methods, this welding technique results in stronger bonds and is more environmentally friendly. Next, we proceed to the membrane folding workshop. Here, membrane sheets are precisely cut to specific requirements. Throughout the folding process, a dedicated high-precision inspection system conducts full process monitoring to ensure every single membrane leaf meets our strict quality standards. The membrane rolling workshop adopts a modular design with a clear division of labor, enabling rapid completion of a series of steps, including flow guide close turning, membrane laying, glue sealing, rolling, and room temperature adhesive curing. In the cutting and testing workshop, the cured semi-finished membranes are cutted as needed and undergo air tightness tests to ensure the membranes are free from damage and leakage and can withstand pressure reliably. After passing the inspections, end caps are installed and labels are applied. Product water quality testing can also be incorporated at this stage upon request. In the glass fiber winding workshop, epoxy resin is applied to the membrane surface, followed by the winding of FRP and a curing process. This stage effectively protects the internal membrane elements from damage. In the packaging workshop, final inspections are carried out. Any surface burrs are removed and wirings are installed. A two-layer packaging system is used. Inner vacuum packaging for moisture and water resistance and ultra-normal pressure packaging. The products are then boxed, completing the entire production process. Through multiple inspections of raw materials, comprehensive quality control throughout the entire process, and strict supervision at key stages, we guarantee stable performance and reliable quality for every single RO membrane.